friends, welcome back to Devti's World. So today we will be reviewing the LG Charcoal Conventional Oven. And if you have not seen the part 1, I have given the link in the description. So please don't forget to watch that. And let's start!
So guys, now I'm going to explain the features which can be seen here in the front. So first of all, there's a smart diagnostic feature. So what that does is that it will scan the oven and send the result directly to the LG service center. So they can check it and send the service accordingly. Next up is there is a LED screen which can show all digits. After that, there are 6 menu features which are the cook mode, charcoal, Indian cuisine, healthy heart, Indian roti basket or ghee, diet fry, low calorie, and children's dairy delight. So first of all, there is the cook mode. It has many sub features which are the micro, the grill, the convection and the grill combo, the convection combo, and back to micro. So first of all, the micro has 5 power levels which are 900, which can be used to boil water and make vegetables, then 720 which can be used to bake cakes and cook slices of meat, then 540 which can be used to heat water, reheat the food, then 360 which is used to melt butter, melt chocolate, and the final one which is 180 which can be used to soften the ice creams and raise these doughs. Then comes charcoal or Indian cuisine. In here we are gonna refer this manual. So in here there is all of this, it's listed everything which can be made using the charcoal or Indian cuisine. So there are they are divided into 5 sections: charcoal, Indian cuisine, rice delight, chapat corner, and cooking aid. So if we want to select, for example, chapat corner, which is number 4, we are going to press this 4 times to get 4. And if we want to make lemon pickle, so just spin this to 2, which is lemon pickle, and then press start. The next one is the healthy heart. So healthy heart, it's referred to this book. So in here there are 30 heart friendly recipes, and so if we click healthy heart, instead of choosing any sub menus, we can directly choose from 30 recipes and start. The rest 3, Indian roti basket, diet fry, low calorie, and kids dairy delight, are referred to this book. In Indian roti we can make naans, rotis, parota, and ghee, make ghee stuffs. And in diet fry, low calorie, we can make things like chicken nuggets, salads, soups, and steam cooking stuffs. So all that, and it does not use any oil, that's why it's diet friendly. Kids dairy delight are for kids, which include things like pizza, omelets, and then noodles, and then there's bakery items like cakes, biscuits, buns, cookies, and sweets, then some tea, juices, and pasteurized milk. So after that, there is a dial button which you might already guess: turn here, turn to the right to increase, turn to the left to decrease. But there is also an additional feature which is the child lock. So if we are making the cake, anybody can just come and do this, and it will increase the time. So to avoid that, we can just push this in, it will stay inside and nobody can turn it easily. Then it is the stop, cancel, and the start. So stop, cancel, it will stop the cancel the cook menu and change to another, or we can stop the cooking process in the middle, and we can check how much has done those are. Next up is the start and select plus 30 seconds. So it will start it, and if if the time is kept in 0 seconds, then it will automatically add 30 seconds to the timer and then do it. So that's it.
So now comes the inside part. Here itself we can see how big and spacious the inside part is. And also in the accessories, first of all we have the multi-cook tawa, which can be used for all purposes, including the conventional and the combo. After that comes the low rack, which is the best for baking, and then comes the high rack, which is the best for grilling and roasting. After that comes the rotisserie bar, which is used for like grilling and all. You can grill full chicken and all in that. And then comes the rotisserie handle, in which we can take the rotisserie, hot rotisserie, after it's used. And also it will make sure that our hands are safe. So now it's demo time, and I am making coconut macaroons. So first let's preheat this oven at 160 degree. Okay, so the preheating is over, and let's keep the macarons inside. So first keep the lower rack, and after that you can keep the macarons. And now let's turn this and make it to 30 minutes. The macarons are right now ready, and we can take them out. Wow, it looks very tasty, and we gotta let them cool. There are 400 built-in recipes, and we can make our own dishes from these. And also like this, we can make many more dishes like cake, cookies, and so on. This oven was very helpful for me and my mother in this kitchen. So this is a nice oven, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to others. Goodbye.